Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 7-bedroom, 8-bathroom house for sale. It is exquisitely designed from the inside out. It is located in Ironshore, St. James, Jamaica. It sits on a quarter-acre of land. This architectural marvel is enveloped by lush greenery and meticulously manicured gardens. With its soaring ceilings and inviting warm color palette, this residence is crafted for your relaxation and entertainment. Adorned with refined finishes and abundant amenities, it offers unparalleled privacy. Feast your eyes on the breathtaking ocean vistas, as this stunning abode nestles gracefully on a hill, providing panoramic views of the renowned Sandals resort and its picturesque water bungalows. Conveniently located near shopping centers, pristine beaches, and the Sangster International Airport, it ensures both convenience and luxury. Indulge in a cinematic experience within the built-in movie theater, or revel in the dedicated sports and entertainment section on the ground floor. A guest suite with an ensuite bathroom provides comfort and privacy for visitors. The flow of this residence is simply exquisite. The kitchen boasts elegant granite countertops, while each bedroom is accompanied by its own ensuite bathroom, ensuring utmost comfort and convenience. Additionally, a luxurious master bedroom suite awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.